Hello guys.
Walking is exercise.
Okay. Walking is exercise, yeah.
Like running.
Yeah. Okay, let's see.
Do I need the exercise?
Of course. Basa pa yung aking buhok dahil I just showered. Even Alexander showered because today is hot weather sa UK. But actually not so hot.
Donut to make jumps and Summer to make jumps on the donut. And Mommy will eat it.
No.
And Mommy will eat it. And Mommy will be sick.
No.
Yes, you will.
Kasi naiwan dito ni Alexander. I didn't notice his lunch box with dippers. Pero close pa, hindi niya kinain yung dippers tsaka McDonald's. But it's damaged na kasi nga it's in the car and it's hot weather.
So now it's A2 because we need the drive slowly here. It's A2.
Right.
Is it A2? Is it A2 or not? I said it's A2.
What A2?
A2 you're driving because I can see it says A2.
What A2 are you?
A2 on here. But now it changed to A3. Now A2 here.
Okay, let me focus to driving because we are late. Mayroon pala on the way kami to Alexander's school because they have like summer, anong tawag dun? Summer fit or something. I forgot. Basta something about summer activities sa school. Like last time, mayroon kaming party in the park. Mga ano yon sa school.
Mommy, look in the
The same
phone.
school ni
Look
Alexander.
in the phone. It's so funny.
Yeah. Okay, just wait. Oh, because I don't want to be late.
Mommy, this is a donut man. You know why donut men have motorcycles?
Yeah.
Donut
Dami
men
nila.
have motorcycles that live fast.
Yeah, it is.
Because donut is very delicious, right?
Oh my god, so good
But
traffic
if they
today.
order donut, the kids will be sick, right?
Shit. But,
Because kids are not strong, right?
yeah.
I'm
Oh
strong.
shit.
A little
Sobrang
bit.
bilis ng isang sasakyan.
Don't worry, Mommy. Nothing can stop us. This
Medyo-
lane is only traffic.
I love it when you call me señorita. Na 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 na. Lumpa, tumba, labadido. I have casa only for you. Oh, it's so good weather. We are 11 minutes late. So hopefully they didn't start
No,
pa.
it's 11 past 12, guys.
Yeah. And Alexander will play. I'm not so sure lang. Parang bawal mag-film. Kasi pag sa loob kasi kami ng school talaga. So, I'm not so sure. Let's see if I can see some people are filming. Not filming, taking pictures. I think it's okay. But let's see. But actually, Alexander,
I'm sure they're allowed to take pictures.
it's allowed to take picture but not show to guys. Just for personal, you know? Yeah? We are near, so I think we will arrive there 14 minutes. I mean, 14 minutes late lang, which is not too bad.
No, it's 12 past 12.
Yeah. Because it should be, it started 12. So yeah, not too bad. Malapit lang kasi kami din.
Is it today Sunday?
No.
Friday?
What is today?
Yesterday was Friday?
No. Yesterday is?
Saturday. Friday?
Yeah. And today is?
Saturday.
Yeah. And
So
tomorrow is?
So am I going in school?
Yeah, because they have a party. Normally, you don't go to school Saturday. But because they have a party,
Yeah, I talked to it that day, but I just have a party this day. I hope they'll finish.
such a lovely day. Today is a good day. Wow, I like the flowers here. And sa neighborhood namin, daming lavender. Kaya hindi na ako nag-lavender. Sabi ng friend ko na nag-YouTube din, si Paul, sabi niya, you buy lavender. But my neighbor have lavender na. So many. I mean, not just one neighbor. Almost all, like 90% of them, they have lavender. So I don't need it na. Oh my god. It's a stoplight pa. Let's put something. Oh my god. It's traffic. Why it's traffic?
No, it's the sweat light. It's the sweat light.
Kasi basa pa yung aking buhok, guys. Basang-basa sa ulan, walang masisilungan. Say, walang masisilungan. Sana. Say, sana. You said you want to learn language, Filipino.
Maybe you can teach me the new countries. I got your phone yesterday and I saw some very hard countries.
Which country?
It's a long word. What's a long word in the country?
Buenas noches.
What is nature?
Salamat po.
Sana.
Magkano to?
Kanata.
Mahal kita.
Tita. How did you say fire
Mabuhat.
truck in there?
Fire truck also the same.
Fire truck? What old countries say fire truck?
Yes.
What? 'Cause there's no way to say it because nobody knows.
Yes. Just fire truck.
And fire engine as well. But fire engine is how
I hope we have parking. Oh my god, they park now there.
Mommy, where is their house, guys?
Huh?
Where is Di's house?
Ay, mayroon dito isa. Maybe I park here. Let's see.
Maybe their house is outside.
Yeah. Or maybe. Where can I park? This other car is like over there so
No,
much.
put on lower.
Oh look at it's so beautiful. Ito yung School Alexander.
But what is there on Ember Wednesday?
Oh, you can take picture also with ambulance then. You saw ambulance?
Yes.
Oh.
Outside my school, where the
Oh,
web cars
really?
parked.
Oh, that's
But it's in the first one.
we can park there. Okay, good. Goody goody, we have a parking. Over there also. There's actually many. Sa shop to eh. Here is the best parking. I got the best parking here. At least the entrance. So nobody will park sa ano ko. Sa back ko kasi sometimes pag may nagpa-park sa back, sometimes so much near, so hindi ako
Because some of these are my friend cars.
Yeah, it is.
That kind is lots. But leave somehow more children in my class.
Wait.
If they want
No,
to
this is the end here for me. The one I am. Wait lang. Why I didn't go so much deep. So much like in this side para hindi ako maano ng mga ibang tao. Okay, that's pretty nice. Okay, Alexander, let's go and party and bring your ticket and some money because maybe they don't. Ito yung wallet ni Alexander. Okay, here's your ticket. I will take it. Where's your water? Bring your water. And let's party. Bye guys. Yan si Alexander. Nandito lang sa mga sasakyan. Alexander, which one you like? The yellow car or the red car? Yellow, really? Okay, one more, okay? Don't touch. Don't touch it. Don't touch. It's not allowed to touch because it's not your car. When it's your car, you can touch, but it's not your car. Can you read it? It's Ferrari. Can you spell it? Ito yung mga sasakyan. Get this egg noodles.
Egg noodles.
No, not that.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's right. This one must be good. But did someone make jumps or not?
No.
What? Because they taught that them in a box or in a bag.
Yeah.
Like this bag.
Yeah.
Okay. What do they have?
Okay. You still have many of that. You didn't eat. Finish the biscuit first.
What? Not this again. You need to do it this time, not me. Oh, I just can't make the baking. No, say do this. No, say be there. No, say be here. Run around all day. That's the way to be on my way. King's only the wise son, little home in somersault.